Afghani Pulao, also known as Afghan Rice Pilaf, is a delicious and aromatic dish that combines rice with various flavorful ingredients. Here's a basic recipe to guide you through the process. Ingredients. For the rice. 1. 2 cups Basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes and drained. 2. 1 large onion, thinly sliced. 3. 1/4 cup cooking oil or ghee. 4. 4-5 cups water. 5. Salt, to taste. For the meat, choose 1. 1 pound, 450 grams, lamb, chicken, or beef, cut into bite-sized pieces. For the spices and flavorings. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 4-5 whole cloves. 3 4-5 green cardamom pods. 4 1 cinnamon stick. 5 1 bay leaf. 6 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 7 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 8 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 9 pinch of saffron strands, optional, soaked in 2 tablespoons warm milk. 10 1/2 cup chopped mixed nuts, almonds, pistachios, and raisins. 11 1/4 cup sliced carrots, optional. 12 fresh cilantro and mint leaves for garnishing. Instructions. Heat the oil or ghee in a large pot over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Remove half of the fried onions and set them aside for later garnishing. In the same pot, add the cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, and bay leaf. Saute for a minute until fragrant. If you're using meat, add the meat pieces to the pot and cook until they are browned on all sides. Add the ground turmeric, ground coriander, ground black pepper, and salt. Stir well to coat the meat with the spices. Add the soaked and drained rice to the pot and gently stir to combine with the spices and meat. Pour in enough water to cover the rice by about an inch. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let it simmer for about 20-25 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. If using sliced carrots, blanch them in boiling water for a few minutes until slightly tender. Drain and set aside. If using saffron, mix the soaked saffron strands with warm milk and let them infuse for a few minutes. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it gently with a fork. Layer the cooked rice with the reserved fried onions, mixed nuts, and blanched carrots. You can also drizzle the saffron-infused milk over the rice for an added layer of flavor and color. Cover the pot again and let the rice sit for another 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Just before serving, gently mix the rice to incorporate the garnishes. Garnish with fresh cilantro and mint leaves. Serve the Afghani Pulao hot as a main dish, accompanied by yogurt, chutney, or salad. Enjoy your homemade Afghani Pulao. Remember that you can adjust the quantities and ingredients according to your taste preferences and dietary needs.